believe, even in my wildest dreams. I never aspired more than the boundaries of the mayor. And I thought all the while that if my daughter would agree to run this time, minus the presidency, I would have retired from public office for good. Alam mo, 20 best years of my life as a prosecutor, then as the mayor for 22 years, one term for congressman, another term for the vice mayorship for my daughter. Alam mo, minsan, when I arrived dito sa hotel, stayed here for purposes of convenience, tinatanong ko yung Diyos, ano ba talaga gusto mo? But if you really want me to try, hindi naman ako naghihingi ng victory. But if you want me to go to the trial, the tribulations of campaigning for the presidency, subukan ko. You know,